India is accelerating its military modernization to reconfigure its long-term defense posture. This strategy operates on three specific pillars: scaling strategic defense exports, domesticating critical military maintenance, and developing next-generation combat architectures. This synchronized effort is designed to move India toward greater self-reliance, reducing its historical role as a primary defense importer. Regional geopolitical pressure is driving the search for alternative energy routes to the UAE that bypass the Strait of Hormuz. These energy security efforts coincide with a regional naval buildup, as seen in the Pakistani Navy's commissioning of its first Chinese-built AIP-equipped submarine. India is countering regional developments by arming strategic partners, with an expected $700 million BrahMos missile deal with Vietnam planned for 2026. Further negotiations are underway to establish local production lines for the 75-kilometer Pinaka rocket system in Armenia, intended to ensure wartime supply continuity and reduce dependence on external deliveries. Expanding these localized defense exports creates a network of partners, while establishing India as a growing supplier of hardware in Asia. Domestically, India is reducing its reliance on foreign original equipment manufacturers for routine maintenance. The Indian Air Force recently completed an internal overhaul of the Navy's MiG-29K ejection seats, a process that previously required sending the equipment back to Russia. Localization efforts have also extended to commercial partnerships, with GMR Aerotechnic securing heavy maintenance for the P-8I fleet, and HAL expanding facilities in Tamil Nadu to produce jet engine components for Rolls-Royce. Onshoring these maintenance, repair, and overhaul operations is intended to protect military readiness from global supply chain disruptions and future geopolitical sanctions. Offensive development is rapidly shifting toward long-range standoff technology, featuring new systems like the Alpha-S swarm drone pod. The Alpha-S can deploy 24 autonomous loitering munitions to suppress enemy air defense radars, allowing manned fighters to remain outside high-risk zones. On the defensive side, the Ministry of Defense is developing the Sudarshan Chakra architecture, which is expected to mature over the next decade. This network is designed to integrate existing assets, including the S-400 and Akash systems, into a centralized command and control grid. By combining disparate interceptors into a single automated system, India aims to reduce exploitable gaps in its national airspace through layered defense. These initiatives represent a move toward reducing long-term dependence on foreign manufacturers and building a domestic technology hub. By securing internal supply chains and exporting combat technology, new